Hello. Okay. Dear student, I hope that you are well in the room. I am well also. Dear student, there are many kinds of national and international days in our country, okay, my dear student, such as Mother's Day, Women's Day, International Mother Language Day, May Day or Independence Day. Okay, thank you. Students, today's topic is Independence Day. Today's topic is Independence Day. Dear student, open your textbook. At first, I read out, please. Look at the picture and ask and answer the question about it. Okay, my dear student. What can you see in the picture? Where is it? Why was it built? Dear student, open your textbook. Okay. At first, what can you see in the pictures? Okay. In the pictures, I can see the National Memorial. Okay, dear student. At first, in the pictures, we can see the National Memorial. Where is it? Can you tell? Oh yes. Where is it? Where is it? It is at Sabar near Dhaka. It is at Sabar near Dhaka. Can you tell why was it built? It was built in memory of the supreme sacrifice of the martyrs of our liberation war. Okay, my dear student. Now open your textbook. At first, I read out, please. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All office, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day began with a 31st gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the National Place Floral, wreath at the National Mausoleum at Sabar. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organization, educational institution and freedom fighter pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there and rallies and procession. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. Okay, my dear student, in Bangladesh, National Stadium, school children, scout and girl guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with the colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. Okay, my dear student, I have finished my part. Now, the Independence Day or birthright of human. Okay, today's topic is Independence Day. Now vocabulary test. independence. I speak in Bengali, স্বাধীনতা. And English to English, freedom from political control by other countries. Its synonym words freedom and liberty. Another vocabulary, festival. It's a noun. Festival, it's a noun. Joyful celebration. Its synonym words mead. Number 3, floral. It's an adjective. Of flower or related to flower. Floral. It's an adjective of flowers or related to flower. Synonym words flowery. Fervor. Noun. Fervor হচ্ছে উৎসাহ উদ্দীপনা. বেঙ্গলি মিনিংস, ইংলিশ টু ইংলিশ হচ্ছে ভেরি স্ট্রং ফিলিং অ্যাবাউট সামথিং, ইনথাজিয়াজম. গান স্যালুট. গান স্যালুট বেঙ্গলি মিন্স তপধ্বনি. English to English, the bullets that are fired from a gun. Synonym word gunfire or shoot. Illuminate. প্রদীপ্ত করা, প্রদীপ্ত করা, illuminate. To shine light on something. To shine light on something. It's the synonym words light. Number 7, martyr. Martyr. Martyr is shohid. Martyr, one who dies or suffer from his faith or any great cause. Again, martyr, one who dies or suffer for his faith or any great cause. Synonym word hero. Synonym word hero. Dear student, independence, that spelling INDEPENDENC. It's a noun. What is noun, dear student, can you tell? Okay, yes, I told noun is a word which refer to any name of anything. Noun is a word which refers to any name of anything. Okay. Plural, it's a adjective. Adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Illuminated, it's a verb. Verb. A verb is a word that expresses action. It states what a person or a thing or a does. Okay, dear student, now homework. Dear student, open your khata and write down on it. Okay? Number 1, what is the significant SIGNIFICANCE significance of independence? Independence Day. Okay, what is the significance of Independence Day? Number 2, what is the What is the significance of 31st gun salute? Yes, student. Number 2, homework. What is the significance of 31st gun salute? Number 3, how does the day begin? Number 3, dear student, how does the day begin? Homework, reply again. Number 1, what is the significance of Independence Day? Number 2, what is the significance of 31st gun salutes? Number 3, how does the day begin? Dear student, this critical moment for this COVID-19 or coronavirus, stay home and stay rest. Thank you everybody, student.